In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play in Taiwan server on League of Legends. If you want to play on the Taiwan server, you'll be doing it by transferring your existing League account to that region from inside the League client. This is a paid transfer that costs RP, so before you begin, make sure you're logged in to the correct account and that you have enough RP to cover the fee. The cost and what carries over can vary, so plan ahead and take a moment to read everything the client shows you during the process. Start by logging into your League of Legends client. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the window for the store icon. It's the one that looks like a stack of coins. Click that to open the store. Inside the store, go to the top right again and find Account Settings. Open that, and you'll see a menu along the left side of the screen. Click on Transfers. This is the section that lists all the regions that currently accept account transfers. Here, you'll see the available servers you can move to, along with the RP price for each. Locate the Taiwan server in the list. If the name appears slightly different based on your client language, just look for the Taiwan region option. Select it to bring up the transfer details. This page will show you the cost, important notes about what moves with your account, and any region-specific policies. Take a moment to read the terms and conditions carefully. They're there to make sure you understand things like how your ranked status may be handled, what happens to your friends list, and any differences in content availability for that region. When you're ready, confirm by clicking the RP button to complete the transfer. The client will process the change automatically. Don't close the client while it's working. Once the transfer finishes, you'll be set to play on the Taiwan server with your transferred account. A few tips to make the experience smoother. Expect your ping to reflect your distance from the Taiwan region, and consider adjusting your in-game language if needed after you arrive. Also, keep in mind that cross-region social features may not carry over, and some progression can be handled differently across regions. Whenever in doubt, refer back to the terms shown on the transfer screen so there are no surprises. That's it. You've moved your account through the official client, and you're ready to jump into games on the Taiwan server. Enjoy your matches and good luck on the Rift.